So I don't live too far from here, and I'm someone who's worked a lot on environmental quality issues, environmental protections, and I'm just so excited that my friend is here actually doing the work, trying to build out a company right here in the neighborhood that is using environmental best practices. He's got a whole fleet of all electric vehicles that are helping with the delivery process. We were just having a conversation about trying to transition the plastic use with regards to the coverings of the dry clean material to more recyclable wax paper. So he's leading the way in a way that I'm really excited about. This is how we're going to be able to try to make changes and make our environment better. Is that businesses such as this one are out there leading the way, trying to help show the world that there are ways to run a successful, thriving business using more environmentally friendly materials and practices. And so that's what I wanted to come out today and be part of this ribbon cutting. We just gave them a certificate, got a chance to see some of the materials and just celebrate their successes and really hope for them all the best with regards to growth and success here in the neighborhood.